Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create Warrior Plus account. Let's begin! To start, open your favorite browser and then search for Warrior Plus. Right here, scroll down and there you can see Warrior Plus. Now just tap on warriorplus.com. It will then direct you to their website. And then you can see this option, Sign Up Free. Click on that to sign up. You can now create an account. Create now a username and then a password and then enter your email address. And then tap on Create Account. That's it! It's just simple and easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe.